Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Parity Executive 24-hour all-mesh office chair. Assembly guide. Included in the box are seat pad with arms, mechanism and lumbar support pad attached, backrest with headrest attached, 5-star spider base, gas strut, 5 casters, 6 20mm bolts, 1 support bar and 2 Allen keys. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Next, with the help of another person, lift the seat onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. Now, position the support bar in the backrest bracket like this and fix it into place using 2 of the 20mm bolts. Use the 2 Allen keys to tighten these bolts, turning them against each other like this. Next, slide the backrest between the seat pad and the mechanism as shown. Insert the bolts through the mechanism into the underside of the seat and secure with the Allen key provided. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Please keep the Allen keys to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your new Parity Executive 24-hour all-mesh office chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.